Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, you're thinking about reporting someone to the IRS for tax fraud, but you have one big question: will they find out it was you? The short answer is almost always no. The IRS takes informant confidentiality very seriously. By law, they are required to protect your identity. They know that people wouldn't come forward with information if they feared retaliation, so they have strong policies in place to keep you safe. When you submit a tip, either online using Form 3949A or by mail, the IRS will not tell the person you reported who sent the information. Your name will not be on any notice they receive. The entire investigation is handled between the IRS and the taxpayer, and you are kept out of it. You can even choose to submit your report completely anonymously, without providing your name or contact information at all. However, providing your name can be helpful if the IRS needs to ask you follow-up questions to strengthen their case. But here's the important reality check. While the IRS will never reveal your identity, the person you reported might be able to guess who it was. Think about the situation. If the tax fraud involves specific details that only a handful of people would know, they might connect the dots. For example, if you're a former bookkeeper who just left a company on bad terms and suddenly the company gets an audit notice, your old boss might suspect you. The same goes for a messy divorce where one spouse knows exactly where the other is hiding assets. The person being investigated will likely rack their brain trying to figure out who turned them in, and if you're on a very short list of people with that specific knowledge, they may guess correctly. There is also the formal IRS Whistleblower Program, which is for major cases where the amount of tax, penalties, and interest in dispute exceeds $2 million. If you go this route to get a potential reward, you cannot be anonymous, you must provide your identity to the IRS. Even then, the IRS is still legally bound to protect your identity from the person you reported unless your testimony is required in a court proceeding, which is extremely rare. So, to sum it up, the IRS will not tell them it was you. You are protected by law. But, you should consider whether the circumstances of the situation could lead them to guess it was you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward answers to your financial questions.